Thank you for joining me, guys. In this video here, I find myself drawing a subject on the train. So I wanted to show you demo how I actually practice. When I go out in the city, I always carry a sketchbook that I'm always drawing people and kind of things. At least I try to do it, and it's very helpful to improve your skills of drawing. Okay. So here I'm drawing this guy sitting right across me on the train. Everything is very unorganized today. It's crazy. I don't have the right book, the pad that I'm working on. This is the subject that's right in front of me. That's who I'm drawing. As you can see, it's an excellent opportunity every time for your artists to study different kind of situations. So here is the way I practice. So that's why I want to demonstrate and show you how I do this. And things like I was saying before, this is like such an unorganized day. The particular flap that I look for, it keeps flapping back on. I don't like this kind of a sketchbook. I like the ones that are like a ring binder where you can actually turn the paper all the way to the back. This one has that, it's like an open book. The flap keeps coming back onto my drawing. I don't like it. Plus, things are very shaky. However, as you can see, on an organized day, if you keep all your sketchbooks already, excellent way for you to practice, and there's great subjects for you to study. Fabric, you can study clothes, the way the folds are, the way the gestures, the feet, the hands, the different kind of things that you can draw from real life. And drawing from real life is something very important because it creates atmosphere in your drawings. You know what I'm talking about? The atmosphere. You're able to look at things with perspective, look behind, this kind of atmosphere that I'm just like scribbling in there right now. So my object really, the objective here is really to get the gesture of a person sitting with his head tilted forward, looking down at something. And you can create that into some kind of a painting later on, and use it as a reference. So there's my reference. We're talking of reference. There's this guy right in front of me, and he's sitting there. He's completely unaware of what I'm doing. And so, as you can see, people in New York City, and this is New York City, by the way, guys. It's a New York City subway train. If you're not from New York, it's a great place for you to draw and do things like that, because people are very. There's a lot of activity. There's a lot of life, so you can draw the life around you. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. Um, here I'm putting. So once again, thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, and please check out the other cognitive drawing lesson that I put up. Cognitive lesson where I show how to be able to draw from memory and draw quick sketches like this, and what kind of things you have to practice. So definitely check out that cognitive drawing series. Like I think I'm going to be putting up 2 or 3 parts of that lesson. Definitely take a good look at that one for you to be able to draw quickly like this. In this kind of situation, you have to like get the image down as quickly as possible, because things are constantly changing. But once again, guys, this is a great way for you to practice from real life. Anytime you sketch from real life, you're getting the atmosphere into your brain, and your mind is able to like understand how on a piece of paper you can look through the paper and see things on the paper, create atmosphere, create depth into your thing. All these things are excellent practice for drawing from real life, as well as photographs. I do them both. I use a lot of reference photographs for drawing, as well as real life. So here, once again, I'm putting some finishing touches as quickly as possible. I'm actually on this day very disorganized, I'm sorry. So this is the way that you're going to have to practice, guys, and it's an excellent way to do that if you're living in any kind of city or anything like that. So here again, I'm putting some of this final touches to my drawing. It's what I really want is to capture the gesture of the guy sitting down, and he's still wonderfully sitting down for me, and there seems to be no problem. So you get a lot of opportunities like this for you to draw wonderful subjects and create great paintings out of them. I haven't done all the paintings yet. I'm going to be working on them, putting all them up on videos. So please subscribe and stay connected. You're going to be watching all of this progress. All right. Have a great day, everybody. Hope